Hello guys, first of all please like and subscribe my channel. So today our topic is how to install Roblox in your PC or laptop. So first of all go to Roblox downloading page, click on download Windows app. After going there click on Roblox player installer, then double click it to open Roblox player installer. So after installing Roblox, create your account. So this is how you can install the Roblox in your PC or laptop. After downloading and installing it in your PC, there are some tips how to play Roblox in your PC. You can use WASD keys for player movement, and space allow you to jump. Left control is for sprint, and left click is typically used to hit or shoot or interact. Also, if Roblox not opening, you can start your PC and enjoy your Roblox. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. So bye.